In this lecture, we are going to implement our post topic using Workbench. That means we are going to create some post topics. We are going to subscribe that, and we will also see what are all the things that we need to keep in mind while creating the post topics. So this is a simple snapshot of the Workbench that I have put over here because we are going to use Workbench. I will walk you through how to log into the Workbench and then how to create the post topics and what exactly means by everything. Now, before we go ahead, let's quickly see what is the flow for post topics and even for the platform events and all. So we have two applications over here. One is client application. So far it will be our Workbench, and then second is Salesforce. Now what happens in the very first step? It is handshake. Handshake means whenever we will try to subscribe our event, our post topic or our CDC, it will first send a handshake request to Salesforce to check if the connection is made correctly or not. It will send, if the connection is made successful, it will return successful, otherwise we will get the error. In the second step, it will subscribe to our event or post topic or CDC, and if the subscription and CDC for post topics or for platform event is successful, then only we can start long polling. Long polling means it will connect, it will get the response, it will again reconnect, and it will get the response. Now you might be thinking why it will connect and reconnect again and again. It is not going to connect and reconnect for every response. It will reconnect if there is any problem or if there is any connectivity issues, like internet server goes down, internet connectivity or bandwidth is low. In that case, it will try to reconnect. If not, it will throw the error. So this is a very simple flow of our we can say post topic, which is going to subscribe the event particular, and Salesforce who is going to work as a server. Now let's quickly see how we can do that. This is our Salesforce environment. Now we will quickly go to workbench.developerforce.com. We are working with our developer edition. We will select production instance to log in into the system. As I'm already logged in here, it will take me directly to the workbench. Now click on this queries tab and go to this streaming post topics. This is where we are going to do all those. Now under this post topics, you can see here, right? If I show you here handshake successful, connection established, right? That is how it works. Now it did, right? What we are going to do, I'm going to clear it. Under this post topic, if you see here, right, I have got one post topic which is new accounts, and then I have create new. What I'll do is I will create a new post topic over here, and for which use case we are going to create a post topic is. What we are saying is our use case is whenever a new contact record is created, we wanted to get notified by the system. So what we will say is we will say new contact. Now here it will ask a SQL query. We have to put the SQL query over here. So what we will do is I will say select ID name from contact, and one more condition that we need to put is we will say the contact must be related to a particular account, then only give us that particular, then only give us the notification. If a contact is created which is related to an account, then only show the notification. Our post topics created successfully. Now you can see we have got two in the drop down. One is new contacts, one is new account. What we will do is we will click on new contacts, and then you can see we have got a button next to it which is subscribe. Now let's subscribe it. It will start, it is saying that subscribe to our post topic which is new account, and this is the URL that we will be using for subscribing to post topics from our Lightning Web Component or Visual Force Pages or Aura Component. Now let's quickly try to create a new contact over here. I will say Amit Singh. That is what I'm just going to create a contact without an account. Let's save it and get back to our workbench. There is nothing which is showing up over here. We are not seeing anything here. And if you try to refresh, you'll get the error because we are connected through session here. Now what I will do is, I will create a contact. I will select an account over here. I will say NTO contact. And we got this contact over here. And you can see here we got message received from This is our channel which is saying that new contacts, and this is a post topic. Now you can see here we have got selected only two fields. It is going to show us only those two fields which we have selected. Now if I select over here, if I say I need account ID, I say I need account name, and then save it. So we got here relationships are not supported in the post topics. This is again one thing that we need to keep in mind. Again save it. I want account ID. I got this account ID, right? Now let's try to clone this contact again. So we have just cloned it. We got this message again we received, and this time we are getting three fields. So whatever field we wanted to show, we have to put those fields into the query into the select section of our query. And then what is the criteria based on which we want to get the notification received, which we have to put under the where condition or under the where part of our SQL query. That is how we can create. Now this is very simple to create these events in the workbench, but how we can do that into the FS class we will see into the next lecture.